Mabuhay! Good morning. Thank you for calling Riverside Hotel. My name is Banet. How may I assist you today?
Good morning, Venice. I'm looking to make a reservation for the weekend getaway.
That sounds wonderful. When were you thinking of staying with us?
I'm looking at the weekend of June 15 to June 17.
Great choice. How many guests will be staying with us?
Just myself and my partner, so it's for two adults.
Perfect. Do you have any preferences for your room?
We would love a room with a view of the river if possible.
Let me check on our availability for those dates and preferences. Let me hold you for a minute, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. We have a deluxe queen room available with a beautiful view of river for those dates. Would you like to proceed with booking that room?
Yes, that sounds lovely.
Wonderful. To confirm your reservation and with some information, can I have a full name of reservation, please?
It's Fiona.
Thank you, Miss Fiona. Could I also have a contact number and email address?
Sure. My phone number is 0927 119, and my email is fionaalvidera@gmail.com.
Perfect. And will you be needing any additional services during your stay, such as airport pickup or restaurant reservations?
No, thank you. We would just be exploring the area on our own.
All right, then, Miss Fiona, your reservation for a deluxe queen room with a riverside view for June 15 to June 17 is confirmed. Is there anything else can I assist with you?
That's all for now, Venice. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Miss Fiona. We look forward to welcoming you to Riverside Hotel. Have a great day.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Welcome to Aqua Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Hello, I have a reservation today.
Can I please have your reservation name or confirmation number?
My name is Eliza Joyce Saltal, and this is my confirmation number.
Thank you, Ms. Sadal. May I see your ID and form of payment, please? All right. I just need you to fill out the registration card. Your room for duration of your stay will be room 305. Feel free to ask if you need to anything to assist you during your stay. Our restaurant and pool is located in third floor. Here's your key card. It provides access to our room and hotel facilities. Please note our checkout time is 9 a.m. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to ask. Enjoy your stay at the Aqua Hotel. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. Welcome to the Aqua Hotel. Please let me handle your baggage for you. Please follow me this way. Please be careful for your step, sir. Thank you.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning po. Yung room po namin sobrang init.
Sorry for the inconvenience. So, tayo na po bang i-adjust yung thermostat?
Yes po, tinry ko na po i-adjust pero sobrang init talaga. Hindi kaya.
What temperature are you aiming for?
Around 20 degrees Celsius.
Okay, we'll set it to that and then we'll take a few moments for it to take effect. In the meantime, would you like us to bring you a fan to cool down the room?
That would be great. Thank you.
Of course. We'll bring it to your room right away.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. We want you to have a pleasant stay with us. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
I would like to check out my room, please.
I hope you had a pleasant stay. May I have your room number, please?
I stay at room 512 on the 5th floor.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. I have your reservation here. Could you please enter the room key?
Use the key.
Okay. I will mark your checkout in our system. Did you have any additional charges during your stay?
No, everything was included in the initial payment.
Alright. Your final bill has been settled and there are no outstanding charges. And is there anything else I can assist you with?
Would you please arrange a taxi for me to the airport?
Of course, sir. I will call a taxi for you right away. It should arrive in a few minutes. The taxi will be here shortly, sir. Is there anything I can help you with?
No, thank you, miss. I appreciate your assistance during my stay in your hotel.
Thank you, sir.